Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a channel in Slack. Let's get started. Once you're inside the Slack dashboard, you can find your channels on the left side of the screen. To delete a channel, first go ahead and open the channel that you want to remove. Now, from the list that appears, the drop-down menu, select Channel Details. Next, click View Channel Details. Next, click on the Settings tab. Scroll down a little and you'll see an option called Delete this channel. Click on that link. Now another confirmation window will appear. Slack will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the channel. To continue, select the checkbox shown here. And finally, click the Delete button. And that's it. Your Slack channel has now been deleted successfully. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.